Welcome to Culinary Journeys and Classic Rides, the channel where sizzling recipes meet roaring engines. Here we celebrate the art of cooking and the thrill of classic rides, blending flavor with horsepower in one unforgettable ride. Today we're taking a journey into the heart of Italy, exploring one of the world's most beloved foods, pasta. But this isn't just about comfort food, it's a story of survival, reinvention, and global domination. At first glance, pasta looks simple. Just flour and water, maybe an egg or two. Yet behind this humble dish lies centuries of history and a journey that began not in a five-star kitchen, but in the fields and small homes of everyday people. For centuries, Italy's farmers and families relied on pasta not as a delicacy, but as survival food. It was affordable, filling, and could be stretched to feed large families. The twist? Many historians argue that pasta, in its earliest forms, wasn't even Italian. Some trace its origins to ancient Greece, others to the Middle East, and of course, there's the famous story that Marco Polo brought noodles back from China. But here's where it gets fascinating. While the origins are debated, it was in Italy that pasta became something extraordinary. In the bustling streets of Naples, pasta evolved from survival food into street food. Vendors sold simple spaghetti with tomato sauce to workers and travelers, fueling a growing passion that would eventually cross oceans. And then came the real plot twist. When Italian immigrants carried pasta to America in the late 19th century, the dish transformed again. Larger portions, meatballs, rich sauces, versions that didn't exist back home in Italy suddenly became staples in the United States. What began as humble nourishment became a cultural icon, adapted and redefined across borders. Today, pasta is everywhere. From Michelin-starred restaurants serving truffle-infused tagliatelle to instant ramen-inspired fusions. It's no longer just food, it's identity, a symbol of Italy, yet also a canvas the world has embraced and reshaped. Pasta's story reminds us that food isn't static. It evolves with people, travels with them, and takes on new flavors along the way. What started as a humble survival dish became one of the most celebrated and versatile meals in the world. So next time you twirl spaghetti around your fork, remember, you're tasting not just a meal, but centuries of history, reinvention, and resilience. If you enjoyed this culinary journey, hit that like button, share this video with fellow food lovers, and subscribe for more stories where culture, flavor, and passion collide. This is Culinary Journeys and Classic Rides, where taste meets torque.